Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to share my user experience about the three major tires that I have been used for the past 5 years, and I will tell you which tire you should go for. The tire I have been used are the stock MRF tire, which is 140 by 70, and the other two tires are the Apollo Alpha H1 and the ceat Zoom Radix 1, which are 150 by 60. First, I will compare the price. The Apollo tire is the most expensive in these tires. It costs about rupees 5800. The second is the ceat with a cost of rupees 4200. The MRF is the cheapest one, cost about 3500 rupees. Now let's talk about the speed rating. The Apollo have a higher speed rate than ceat than MRF. So what's all about the speed index? When we give the throttle, the Apollo tire gains quick speed than other two tires, and the bike is very stable above 120 km per hour. Because of the good stability at a higher speed, the Apollo is a clear winner. The second position goes to ceat, and it's stable up to a 120 km per hour. The ceat tire actually takes more time to reach a higher speed while comparing to Apollo, and it's less stable than Apollo. At last, the MRF comes in third position with a very low stability on a high speed. Okay, everyone loves to corner, and the Apollo tire is the king of cornering. I will tell you why. I have no fear to lean more angle in a curved road with the Apollo tire. The grooves in the Apollo tire help me to achieve quick lean angle and more grip in the corners. Coming to the ceat, don't know why I am not able to lean much angle with the ceat tires that I have done in Apollo. But both the tires have very good grip while cornering. We can also apply brake to stable the bike on a curve. MRF tire is not stable in a curved road. If we apply brake, our bike could easily skid and lose control. Now let's talk about braking and grip. Spoiler alert, the ceat tire is superior in braking in every condition. Yeah, I will explain it. I have used all these tires in wet, mud and very bad road. In all these situations, ceat give me a confidence to apply brakes without skidding or slipping. First, the wet condition or riding through a rain. In wet road, the ceat have absolutely very good grip than Apollo. While braking, the Apollo tire tends to skid most of the time, but far better than MRF. MRF skid almost every time in the wet road, and I was very scared to apply brakes with an MRF tire in a wet road. Second, in gravel or mud road. In these conditions, also ceat is the winner with a good grip. The second place goes to Apollo and the third to MRF with a very bad performance in mud road. Third in off-road. Yeah, I know it's not an off-road tire, but I have to tell. All these tires perform a very similar way in off-road, and all these tires slips almost every time. And at last, in normal road condition, when we apply a sudden brake, the ceat stops without skidding. The Apollo tends to skid sometimes, but the MRF skids every time. This is why I told you the ceat is the absolute winner in the braking. Next thing is about the comfort. Riding with Apollo tire gives me a good comfort. I felt more relaxed at any speed, but the ceat tire is a little bit harder in my opinion. It will not give that much comfort as an Apollo tire gives, but it's okay. And as usual, the last place goes to MRF. Next, we can talk about the lifespan. The first tire I used was MRF, and it have a life about 24,000 km, and it lasts about 2 years. The second tire I used was Apollo. It runs about 23,000 km in 1 year and 11 months. And at last, the ceat runs about 24,000 kilometers in 1 year and 6 months, and it still have some grip to run a couple of months more. So all these tires runs over 20,000 kilometers, almost like a 2 year. So it's a close call for all these tires. So many of my friends and the shopkeepers told that the Apollo tire have the worst lifespan with only 10,000 kilometers and it will last only up to 1 year. But I am lucky because I got it almost 2 years and it runs about 23,000 kilometers. So at last, which tire is the best or which tire should I prefer you? Both the ceat and Apollo tire wins in various situations and it's so difficult to decide a winner. So it's a close call and personally I chose ceat tire as the winner. I told you it's my personal choice and the reason behind is the better braking at any speed and the price. The ceat tire comes with an affordable price. So if you want a good grip in any condition, go for ceat tires. Or if you want to lean every corners like a pro and a very good comfort and stability at higher speed, you can go for Apollo. So if you guys have any thoughts, you can comment it below and hope you like this video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.